Hello friends, this is Abhinav and you're watching Java Programming Tutorials. So, in the last video, I showed you how to use some simple operators in Java. In this video, I'm gonna talk about some more of the operators. So, what are operators? Operators are basically characters used to perform specific operations on operands. I know you might be thinking, what the heck is that? But that's not a big deal. It's not a difficult thing. If you want more information about that, you can look in the video description. There is the link for a whole lot of description about operators. So operators, there are basically 5 major types of operators, I think. The assignment operator, that is the equals to sign, used to assign specific values. Then there are arithmetic operators like plus, asterisk, minus, slash, divide by. These are called the arithmetic operators. There are more also like modulus and other ones which we'll talk about later in this video. So let's create a new class and let's name it as operator test. So I told you about 2 types of operators. There are more of them like conditional operators and logical and relational operators, the most important ones. So let's start from assignment operator. Int a equals 10. So in this statement we are using assignment operator. We are assigning a value of 10 in a, so it's an assignment operator. Let's look up into arithmetic operators. Int b equals a plus 10, and you can add multiple operators in the same thing. Minus 5 over 10 times 50. So in this statement you can see 2 types of operators, the assignment operator and the arithmetic operators. For the precedence, you can look at the video description for this link. It's basically what you have read in the maths, like what's called, I think, BODMAS. Firstly brackets are solved, then multiplication, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. It's like that. So these are the 2 basic ones. Now, relational operators are used to in conditional statements. I'll tell you what are conditional statements also firstly. For that, conditional statements are used to check a condition, like check whether the value of a is equal to 10 or not. So this is a simple conditional statement. There are three conditional statements: if else, switch case, and ternary. But this if is the main one. If a equals 10, or .println a equals 10. So this is a simple conditional statement. And within the conditional statement, this thing, it's not assignment operator, it's a logical operator. Relational operator actually, not logical. It checks whether a is equal to 10 or not. You can change it to if a is less than, or if a is less than, or a is greater than, or a is not equal to, or is less than, greater than, equal to, or a is less than equal to, and it will print the statement beneath it only if the condition in the if statement is true. So like if I change it to a less than equal to 5, then let's try. Wait, let's change it back to 10. Else a not equal to 10. So what it does is checks whether a is equal to 10 or not. If it is equal to 10, then the statement will be printed out. If not, then this one. So let's check out. As a is equal to 10, so it prints this. Now what if we change its value to 20? Oops, sorry, 20. A not equal to 10. Look how it works. Now what if we want to check? Let's change the value of b also to 100. Now what if you want to check whether b is 100 or not? Then you use the term logical operators. Logical operators, there are three main types of logical operators. And this is the symbol for and logical operator. This one is for or, and this is for not. These are the three relational logical operators, and I used to combine two conditions. So and works like, firstly let me write it. If so, logical operator and, what it does is it prints out the statement only if both the conditions are true. That is, if the a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 100, then only this will be printed. Or if any of the conditions are not true, then it will go to else. What about or? Or it's just opposite of and. It's like or in English. It prints out the statement if any of these two conditions are true. It's like, let's just firstly with and. A is 10, 20, B is 10. Let's change it to true and false to make it simple. So a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 100. That's not true. because a is equal to 20, so it